Welcome back to Absolutegh. Today's tutorial is zip hairstyle. This hairstyle is normally for those with long hair. If your hair is short, you can still braid this hair, depending on the type of hairstyle you want to achieve. It is similar to the normal braid, just that to achieve the zip, you only rotate the middle hair, which is the natural hair of the person. That is, you move the middle hair to the right, pass it to the center, and move it to the left and pass it to the center. It's as simple as that. You can add some of the synthetic hair to the natural hair and make sure all the natural hair of the person is braided to avoid cutting the natural hair when unbraiding the hairstyle later. Let's keep watching the movement of the hair and the movement of the hand from the video. As you can see, the hair is moved to the right, then it passes to the center, then it moves back to the left, then the hair is passed to the center. This is what I was trying to explain. So after that, you tie the end of the braid and continue with any style you want to continue with this, or you can leave it if you are using it for twists, or if you are using it for normal braid. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you always be notified when I upload a new video.